How to create new profile in Brave Browser. For this, go and launch Brave Browser on your device. Next, click on 3 horizontal bar at the top. Next, click on More Tools. Then click on Add New Profile, then give the name to the profile, and then select a profile icon for the profile. Click on the Done button. Now click on Profile at the top, and then click on ADD button to create another profile. Give another name to the profile and select a profile icon. Click on Done button. You can see your profile here now. Close all the Brave Browser and reopen it. You see you will find all your profiles here. You can click on 3 dot next to the profile and then delete it if you want. Click on Delete button to run Brave with a particular profile for this relaunch, the Brave Browser, and then select your desired profile from the list. In this way, we can create a profile and open that profile in Brave Browse. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.